There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Let's head for the next station. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! Hi! Here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Lighter. Hammer. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Firecrackers. Lighter. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Knife. Firecrackers. Thank you. We have arrived at the inspection station. The train is dirty. Let's give it a good clean. You're awesome! Let's keep going. The train has been maintained. Let's continue on our journey. Some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Hi, we're about to go on baby bus little train. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Knife. Lighter. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's hammer. Knife. Thank you. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the freight. I need this one. Thank you. Thank you. Move the crate. Good job. Let's continue on our way. Let's head for the next station. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hey! Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus train. Wow, you have arrived at the terminal. Here's a gift for you. Have a look. Wow, congratulations. You have got a new